Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I'm feeling very good. I have just filed my nomination for post of president, and for this vision that I will change Goan football.
तर कितें प्लॅन्स तुमी करून दवरला सध्या?
आमी प्लॅन म्हणल्यार आतां आमचे प्लॅन अशें आसा की वुमन वर्ल्ड कप अंडर 17 जाता. फोकस ऑन वुमन, लायक यंग गर्ल्स शूड कम टू प्ले फुटबॉल. That is one is there. And most vision means I have is that Santosh Trophy. We should win. My target is to win Santosh Trophy in coming 4 years.
कितलं कॉन्फिडन्स आसा तुम्ही इलेक्ट जावन येतले म्हणून?
120% I have confidence that I will win because I have a support of all 120 clubs. So I am meeting them, I am showing them what I have a vision, and in coming days I will give to you also that vision plan for media also.